core purpose of liberation coaches is simply to energize, enable, and empower people to live a liberated life. And I've seen it from the kind of work that they do, the work that they do with entrepreneurs and things like that. They've done a fantastic job. Well, we revisited our core values. And the first core value is demanding excellence, ethical business practices, hard work, creativity, challenging the status quo, and continuous growth. So when we came together, we added 2 of my core value into the already existing core values. Can you tell me which must have been my core value? And क्या यार एकदम predictable लोग हैं साले हरामी लोग. Of course, I said, देखो ये 2 चीज मेरा इसमें डाल दो तुम्हारा, and then we removed couple of things from theirs and we said what is relevant to liberation coaches, and we retained this particular thing. What is our big, hairy, audacious goal? Fantastic, big, hairy, audacious goal to challenge and replace the existing practices of the International Coaching Federation. To challenge and replace the existing practices of International Coaching Federation for coaching. Balanced scorecard. We want to challenge and replace balanced scorecard, which is worldwide accepted in all organizations as a performance management tool. We're going to challenge that. Balanced scorecard for performance management system and all obsolete training interventions, and create a unique organization having 1,825 liberation empowerment coaches, process architects, and master trainers, because empowerment coaches will do the coaching and everything. Process architects will put the systems and processes in place, and master trainers will do the training and development of the organization and its people. And so, and have a unique organization having 1,825 liberation empowerment coaches, process architect, master trainers at 1,825 liberation points by 2025. And we will make it happen with the help of you people. I thought it was a good day for us to, to engage with all of you. So during the break in the evening, you can speak to Vijaya, you can speak to Amol about what all they do. But quickly, can I take them through the whole thing?
Yes.
What do they do? 1, they do organization diagnosis. 2, they do leadership diagnosis. 3, they do team diagnosis. 4, they do people and HR process diagnosis. 5, they have a solution summary for the whole thing. 6 is that they have a famous copyrighted model called the 4D performance management system, the 4-dimension performance management system. And many of our clients have started using this 4 dimension. The first dimension, as I said, the general manager has to do his job. The second dimension is easy living the core value. The third dimension is easy developing himself. And the fourth dimension is easy developing others. So we will look at performance management, organization strategy. They look into goal setting of the organization. The director's 4D performance finalization. Like I am a director and I have got my KRAs, and she's got it and he's got it. Some days back we went out to this Grand Sarovar, and one full day we sat down there and we wrote down the KRA. I'm supposed to do 4 things, he's supposed to do 4 things. So our KRAs is set. I'm supposed to bring certain behavioral changes in myself, and one of the things that they say that I'm supposed to be more sensitive, and I've been given 2 marks out of 5 marks, and I never got such less marks in my life. As an entrepreneur, I'm feeling miserable. And then we will finalize the 4D performance management team, and the team will help the performance management to happen. And we will have success alignment meetings. Now, these are meetings before the performance evaluation takes place. These are meetings that will happen because, when the performance evaluation actually happens of a person, he says, मेरे को ये cooperation नहीं मिला, मेरे को वहाँ से paper नहीं आया था, मेरे को बताया नहीं गया था, तो इसको align करने के लिए success, alignment meetings. Post which they do quarterly performance reviews, they do annual performance reviews, they do recommendation documents, they do leaders performance coaching, soft skills, behavioral attitudinal building, training, everything for the organization to become better, career growth and planning for the team, HR policies, realignment, non-compliances, general training programs, customized training programs, success coaching for directors, So we are right now doing a 500 crore company, which was our first project when I came in. A company in Surat called JBGO, which is a 500 crore company with about 1100 employees. We are now doing the 5 directors coaching and things like that.